All right, hello, welcome back to my oil painting studio. I took a short break after the last video to give this a bit of a stare. And I have to admit, I think I like it better this direction than where it started. So I'm going to kind of work off of that being the end result in this direction, though I leave open the prerogative that that could change. So what I want to do, this is again all wet paint. I've been working, having an absolute blast. I have two blending brushes going, one for the green, one for the blue, just to kind of keep those separated. And I had some idea where this was going to go, but nothing specific other than the starting kind of river-ish flowing type of thing. What I like is the idea of this, the concept behind it was this idea of being in the flow, which as an artist and being autistic, ADHD, flow for me is harmony, equilibrium, joy, health, happiness, success, everything that's positive. The flow is wonderful. And it's helped me a lot with recovering from some health problems due to burnout. And so what I like about this is the idea, I was originally saying stepping into the flow, but all this sinewy kind of, I like it has almost like a watery, distorted quality to it that I really like. So the title's changing from stepping into the flow, changing it to stepping in and out of the flow, which again could change. But this idea that creativity and neurodivergence, harmony is something that we're always, I speak for myself, I am always coming in and out of. It's never a permanent state. So it's something I'm always seeking and trying to connect with. All right, so with that long introduction, I'm just blending and touching up a little bit here from the last round. I want to do two more things before I stop and let this dry. It's already starting to tack up a little bit from the glaze dryer that I use. But what I want to do is a little bit of spattering to give me some more of these nice little dots that I got. I brushed some of them away. I want more. And then after that, I'm going to come in and with some more of this dark Windsor Blue and put it in a few areas down here and around. So those are the two objectives at hand. And I'm just going to use for spattering. This guy got kind of gummy, but he will work for our purposes. What I want to do is get this brush wet with paint thinner and then take another dry brush and tap it against it, thereby spattering solvent on the wet paint surface. The less solvent there is on the brush, the smaller the mist will be of the spatter. If I got it really sopping wet, I would get nice big drops on there, which is also very fun and sometimes appropriate. So I'm going to give this a minute to kind of sit on the surface, and I will be able to see it as it kind of pools in the wet paint and glaze on there. And then I'm going to take a dry, clean rag and just gently blot to remove some of the paint. Actually, I want a little bit more. It's really pretty up here in this turquoise. And the green. And if you don't want it to run, then do this flat on the ground or on a table or something. Okay, so I got some nice little, almost like bubbly texture in some areas that I really like. It's very subtle. You gotta be up close, but I like it. So I'm going to switch over now to putting in some more of the dark blue, the Windsor Blue, and darken some of these areas. And then I think that will probably be it for this session. Okay, I think this is where we're going to leave it and let it dry for a few days. And then I will come back to it and see what we want to do next. But I think it's taking its final shape, form, whatever it is. Yeah, we'll let it dry, and then I'll come back in and we'll do some tiny little details, and then I don't know, it might be done pretty soon. All right, well, as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And please subscribe so you get the next round of videos, and I will see you at the next video.